guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna open our apple peeler. Before I show you how it works, please remember to like and subscribe our video. This is the Jackson cup.
Take any apple, go ahead and bury that onto the spines, and then this machine does three things. It peels, it cores, and it slices, all simultaneously.
Make this one piece.
This machine is put an apple in there, you turn the handle, and what happens is it peels it, it slices it, and it cores it. What more could you want? Also, I thought it's a great one for the kids because you know it's like getting them to eat fruit. If they put an apple on the end and turn the handle and it does all that for them, they're going to be amazed and want to keep eating apples.
I highly recommend these apple peelers. They're so slick to use. Just stick the apple right on the front, start spinning, and there's a little knife here that'll start cutting it and peeling it and coring it all in one. Right now it is cored, it's peeled, and it's cut.
Please remember to like and subscribe.